At the time of recording this masterclass, I had version 5 of the program available. Perhaps when you watch the lectures, the next version will already be able, or the full version. It is not much different and is already quite workable. Point one way or another will not change. Launch. You must have version 5 installed. Launch will show up and window will appear. Select Games, uncheck Started Content. Check the box for ray tracing. Specify the location of our future project. Click Create. The first time the project will take longer to load than other times. This is due to the fact that the cache is stored on the drive C. Go to Settings, click Plugins, enter Datasmith. We need to enable the plugin Datasmith. Check the box, click Yes, and restart now to make the changes take effect. After this restart, we will open the same window with the plugins, close it. If you created the project from scratch, as I'm doing now, then all the parameters you need will be there. But if you converted from the 4th version to the 5th version, then check that all these parameters, global illumination, lumen, and reflections, lumen, copy my parameters. Now let's move on to the next lesson.